Hi, it's Paul from SASHSTOP. I'd just like to do a quick demonstration to show you how easy it is to fit the new SASHSTOP Window Jammer to increase the security on window casements. The window jammer will sit underneath the existing window handle. First thing we do is carefully remove the existing cap. We will then open the window and take off the bottom screw. Then put the handle down, it locks the window. Then if you take off the top screw, the window isn't opening out. Then get hold of the window jammer, place it underneath the window handle and put the handle straight back on again, and then put the top screw in, open up the handle, then put the bottom screw back in, and when you're happy, tighten it up completely, lock the handle down, put the cap back on, and then what you'll do is you'll see how much gap is remaining from the end of the window jammer, and in the packet you'll have 3 buttons included, a 2, 3 and a 5, and 2 self-adhesive striking plates, which again don't need any drilling. So we'll put the adhesive on the striking plate, offer it up, place striking plate roughly to the centre of the jammer, and then we'll put a 2mm button behind the jammer, which keeps everything nice and tight. A very quick, easy way to upgrade any UPVC window. The SASHSTOP Window Jammer is available in 3 finishes: white, brass and chrome, and for any other information please contact us at sashstop.co.uk. Thank you.